Eco-Fryer 8 liters. Complete product walkthrough. The Eco-Fryer is rated for a 230-volt, 16-amp electrical supply with a rated output of 3 kilowatts. The machine has an overall footprint of 608 millimeters in length and 331 millimeters in width, with an overall height of 411 millimeters. The machine consists of the heating coil, frying basket, oil bin, control interface, 2 thermostat, and main power switch. The temperature can be selected from 50 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. The basket dimensions are 225 millimeters in length, 190 millimeters in width, and 125 millimeters in height. The Eco-Fryer has an 8-liter oil tank with minimum and maximum oil level marking mentioned. Once the machine is switched on, the control interface gives you access to the different cooking and machine management functions. The Eco-Fryer allows to configure cooking parameters like time and temperature for individual menus and portions. For frequently prepared items, the Eco-Fryer provides quick pick buttons. These buttons allows you to cook a preset menu and portion to a button. The Eco-Fryer also includes temperature and energy management functions. When the fryer is switched on, it starts working towards its preheat temperature. If the machine remains idle for a predefined period, it enters sleep mode. During sleep mode, the machine maintains the temperature according to its settings. If the fryer remains idle for another predefined period, it enters deep sleep mode. In deep sleep mode, the heater coil is switched off. The recipe counter helps track how many times a particular recipe has been used for frying. This can be useful for monitoring recipe usage across your kitchen operations. The Eco-Fryer also supports Wi-Fi connectivity. To check the connection status, look at the Wi-Fi indicator on the display. Now let's look at automatic cooking. Select automatic cooking from the main menu. Choose the required menu and then select the required portion size. Now let's look at one of the key features of the Eco-Fryer, the dual dip technology. Instead of keeping the food submerged in oil for the entire cooking cycle, the Eco-Fryer can divide the frying process into 2 cooking stages. During the first dip, the basket automatically lowers into the oil, and the food begins cooking. Once the first cooking stage is completed, the basket rises and enters the holding period. This allows loose moisture from the food to escape. After the holding period, the basket automatically dips into the oil for the second cooking stage. The second dip helps develop the desired crispness and golden finish. Once the complete cooking cycle is finished, the basket automatically rises and the buzzer alerts the operator. For more information, contact us or visit our website